let's start our class now. And just a reminder again, our website is here. You can check $1 homepage of teaching, and the first page look like this courses here, and we're course websites here. Spring 2026 IHP EMI. EMI is means for English teaching. Okay, introductory statistics. But personally, I prefer to call it introduction to statistics. But it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Okay, you can click here to enter our website. Our website here. Excuse me. If you want to drink or eat, please go outside. Please go outside. Okay, it's a policy. You will never see me drink or eat inside the classroom, computer classroom. Okay, okay. And here, when we enter the website here is the textbook, and this is an open textbook. What does it mean open? I explained that previously. It means everyone can download it for free, use it for free and legal. So it's so great. It's so great. If, for example, my mother language is not English, thus when I was a college student, it's it's really, really troublesome for me to learn knowledge from the textbook in English. But I conquered that kind of problem. But you know, the digital technology is very, very powerful now. I mean, the year of 2026, and you can use any kind of translation tools to translate the content to your language or your target language. For example, I want to sell my product to Portugal. I need to translate the instruction or something into Portuguese. I can use the tool. Sure, maybe the accuracy is not 100%, but currently, I think 90% is acceptable for most people. Unless you need to sign a contract, you need to take care about the law issues. Okay, and today we are moving to the third section. The third section. Okay, chapter 2. The third section here. Okay, please move here. Please move here. And also I observed something. I think I can do it better. Not many students follow my steps to draw the pictures ordered from the data. Okay, it's up to you. You know, when I was a college student, I studied in the National Taiwan University. What does it mean? It means professors will not force students to do anything unless the students they want to do. I will treat the same way to you. When you are not focusing on the course, I will not take care about you. That's your choice. That's your decision. I will respect your decision. But if you want to follow my steps, to follow my instruction, to draw the pictures, to discuss the statistics, I will be happy to do that because that is my duty. I earn the money from this campus. I have the duty. I obligate to take care of students, especially you are ready to learn. But when students are not ready to learn, it's not my business. You take the responsibility, not me. So maybe I think last week some students responded that maybe my explanation is a little bit too fast. So how about maybe I can let 20 to 30 minutes in the end of the course. Then we can review how to draw that, how to draw from the raw data to a picture to the diagram as we want. I think I sincerely wish you have the chance to come to my class. No pressure. But it doesn't mean I will not fail you. I will not, no, I will follow the rules. But I hope no pressure. We learn the basic concept of statistics. I hope no pressure, but you need to learn. That. Okay, let's click the chapter 2.3. If you cannot find this website, please let me know. Don't be afraid to be left. No one will leave you. no one will just do what you want to learn in Taiwan. I think it's a good chance. At least the teachers in Taiwan are very friendly to students in Taiwan, students from international countries. Okay, move to the chapter 2.3. Is okay? Okay, question? Let me know. Okay, great. Okay, and are you in our live group? Not yet. How about ask your friends to help you to join our live group? Then I will. Okay, yeah, it's a great example. Let me know if you got lost. Get it? Okay. Yeah. Oh, thanks. A good partner just copy and paste the website. Then you can check this website here. Then here is the textbook we are using now. Here, and click it. Go to chapter number 2. Select the section number 3. Is here. Is okay? Okay. The same way. Don't be afraid to interrupt me. Okay, just let me know if you got lost. If you if my explanation is too fast to you. Okay. Okay. The title is Other Graphical Representations of Data. There are several types. First one, stem plots. Stem plots look like this. But actually, personally, I think the stem plot is not so useful. Okay. The second one, scatter plots, and this one, I'm not repeating. Okay, super important, very important, because when we switch into chapter maybe number 9 or number 10, scatter plot will analyze one set of data. Data has two kinds of information, X and Y. For example, my height. I'm the middle guy. Not very tall and not very short. I'm the middle one. Okay, and my income. The height is one perimeter. The income is the other perimeter. Okay, maybe those two perimeters has a relationship between those two, but maybe not. We don't know. Okay, the other way. I assume I drink black tea every day, and my blood pressure is another perimeter. Okay, then now we want to analyze maybe 100 elderly people from one community. We want to know whether they drink black tea will increase or decrease their blood pressure or cholesterol in their blood. We don't know. We need to do the analyze work. And one simple way, but very important, very simple. Believe me, it's simple, but it's very important. That is scatter plot, because it's a fundamental skill. And next, we can use the analyzing skills to find any correlation between that. Okay, then next. Time series. Time series is another time is one perimeter, and the other, for example, I want to eat more. The time is in the x-axis, and the other one, the height, the production, or the blood pressure or blood sugar. The other perimeter will be drawn on the y-axis, we can call it time series. Time series is also very useful, very useful. Okay, and no, that's the series today. And today maybe we have chance to move the chapter number 3. Okay, let's skip this one. Stem plus it's not so powerful. We don't need to take care of it. And please check this one. Scatter plot. Scatter plot. Sometimes you have two different variables and you want to see if they are related in any way. Okay, again, generally two variables, maybe time, maybe height, maybe blood pressure, maybe the black tea you drink, maybe the exercise time you do every day, something like this. A scatter plot helps you to see what the relationship will look like. A scatter plot is just a plotting of ordered pairs. Okay, let's check this. Example 2.3.2 scatter plot. Is there any relationship between elevation and high temperature in a given day? The following data are high temperatures at various cities on a single day and the elevation of the city. Okay, we know the elevation, I mean the height, altitude in the city, 7,000 in feet, 4,000 feet, and the temperature in Fahrenheit, 50, 60, 40. Generally, it's very difficult for us to analyze it by our eyes. Any relationship? No, we don't know. Okay, solution. Preliminary state the random variables. The first variable, let x equals altitude and y the high temperature. Okay, and now plot x values on the horizontal axis and the y values on the vertical axis. Okay, later I will tell you how to do this. Then set up a scatter that fits the data on each axis. Once that is done, then just plot the x and y values as ordered pair in R. Sure, anyone ever heard about the free software about statistics called R? Just one single letter, R. Anyone heard about it before? Okay, it's a command line. But maybe in the future, again, my course is very fundamental. In the future, you can learn the R skills. It's very powerful. But I ever learned that, but my skill is just in the beginner, as a beginner. Thus, I prefer to teach you use the Google Scholar, Google Office, and some free tools. Sure, this one is also tools. Okay, how about 1 minute? Please type how to run statistics software R. 1 minute. Search for the information. Okay. Then you will get that. You will get the information. But now, currently, I don't encourage you to learn this. Yeah, go ahead. Again, okay. Please search for software, statistical software R. Single letter R. Then I don't know why the software is called just single letter R. Then read the article. And to be honest, the R is too difficult for me, to be honest. But I think we can do the same. We can solve the same problem, handle the same data, and get the same results by using Google Office. It's easier. But this is small scale. In the future, if you need to handle thousands pairs of data, R is the best choice. but not now. I think after you learn concept about basic statistics, you can use R, but not now. Okay, one more minute, then we can come back our textbook. Okay, and now I have a question. Anyone take a digital notes about the R? You can write like this. One daughter suggested us to search for statistical software called R, and he mentioned the software is not friendly to beginners, but he encouraged us to learn R in the future if we need to handle bundles, thousands of data. Write down on your digital notes. Okay, one more minute. All right, I will slowly move to our textbook. And here is the command line to use R to draw this picture, but I will not do that. Look like this one. Okay, the x-axis from 3,000 to 7,000, that is elevation in feet. About the y-axis, that is temperature in degrees of Fahrenheit from 0, 40, 60 to 80. And now I'm going to share my experiences. I prefer to use the term teach. I would like to use the term share my experiences. And now please move to your Google Drive. Google Drive here. Oh, sorry. I need to switch the user language interface. Okay, and now we can start new Google Sheet. Oh, sorry, I forgot to mention one thing. If sure, you can use the Microsoft Office, but I don't encourage you to do that because you need to pay to use it legally. if you don't want to pay, that is not legal. But use Google Office, you don't need to care. You don't need to care about this. Actually, if you know, my computer now is not a Microsoft operating system. You know that? My computer now here. 1 minute, please. Let me show you. Okay, my system is not a Microsoft. I don't like Microsoft because we need to pay to use it legally. I don't like that. Okay, that's my preferences. I don't want to affect your decision. Okay, and here, by the way, if you are just a reminder, we are in a computer classroom, right? You can use the okay, this one, the private model, you can click Control Shift N, press those 3 keys together, and log in. Even you forgot to turn off your computer, just shut down the browser, then all information will be gone, not be recorded on the computer. Or you can remember, okay, I will leave, but please remember, turn off the computer first. Okay, you can use the private mode. Okay, and now log in here, Drive, create a new Google Sheet. Sure, if you already know this, you can just draw the graphic as you want. Here, then I can copy the information here, select the range, copy, and paste it here. Okay, then next, select the range and insert chart. Okay, select the range, we just copy and paste on our Google Office. Then click insert chart. I try to explain very slowly, but you can do it faster. You can move. You know, as last week what we have done this week. And click chart. Sorry. Oh no, not a pivot table. That's very hard. Okay. Chart. And there is a small screen popping up here. We can select. Last week we select the column chart, and this time we can select scatter chart. And click. Okay, it looks like this one. So far so good, or so far not good? So far so good. Great. Okay, and sure, this time you can completely imitating the graph in the textbook, or you can modify by your own. For example here, let's check the graph here. See, this one look very similar. But you can do something different. For example, I don't like the blue dot. I want to change it to a red dot. Sure, it's up to you. Click here and customize. You will switch to customize. Sure, sorry, and now I'm setting the British English mode. So the customize is M-I-S-E, not M-I-Z-E, but don't care about it. Okay, then select the red one. I love the red one. Okay, and maybe, okay, the point size 7 is too small for me. How about 14? And the shape circular, circular is okay, but I love triangle. Then about the scale, from about close to maybe 2,800, close to 3,000, and here is 7,000 is also okay. You can change the scale. For example, here the minimum scale maybe 12,000, the maximum maybe 8,000. Yeah, up to you. I just want to tell you is you can change it. You can change the setting. Don't worry. And then we can switch to the y-axis, and we can set the scale. The minimum maybe 40. The maximum 80. Okay, it looks much better, right? Look like this one. Actually, the scale from the x-axis and y-axis, they are different, but they are the same data. At the drawing, look similar, but not completely the same. But it doesn't matter. It can emphasize what you want to emphasize. Okay, 2 minutes. Please finish this one. If you have trouble, please raise your hand. I expect you can finish this one by the Google Office here. Any trouble, let me know. I'm very happy to explain it 2 times, 3 times is also okay. If you have time, I would suggest you to copy this diagram and write as your digital notes. Digital notes is about 10 to 20 minutes, 10 to 20 points in our final score. Yeah, that's my way. You can use your way. For example, I like green circles. You can change that to green circles. I love different scale. It's also okay. You are a great friend. Again, you can use any kind of office, like LibreOffice, Microsoft Office, but I prefer to use Google Office. It's easier and free to use, legal to use. Okay, if you do everything very smooth and successfully drawing the picture, how about scroll down and check the homework, question number 3. Yeah, in the midterm, I may modify the similar data from our textbook. 3. Sorry, later I may postpone the break time. I want to finish this question first. Is okay? Okay. Sure. Later the break is 10-minute break. I will not take your time, but I just postpone the break time. Looks okay. But you can modify anything like that. Please remember one thing here. Just a reminder. Please copy the link and paste the link on your Excel file or Google Office file. And homework number 3 is very important because in the future you may forget $1, the guy who told us a question, but I forgot the chapter. You just click the link you created. So you copy and paste on your notes. Okay, now let me show you how to draw this one. Okay, you can check my way to naming the file. The year 2023 0309 week 3 chapter 2.3 scatter plot. And because later we will join the time series plot. And here copy, paste. Question from here and homework homework 3 homework 3, then move here, copy, and move to our office, Control V, paste. So far, okay? So you cannot see the grade because the projector, the quality is And now I try use this one. Okay, we can see the grid here and select orange. Select orange. Sorry, okay, select it and insert chart. Click and select scatter chart and click. Oh, okay, it's done in here. Look like this. Sure, you can change any the y-axis or the x-axis as you want. For example, the height of person from 0 to 200. The length of metacarpal from maybe 30, 38, 38 to 50. If you like that, it's also okay. It's okay. And sure, you can change the title of the plot. Like homework 3, like this one. Sure, I can change anything. For example, the font color to red. Sure, officially there should be black, but I just change it to red, and I want to show you you can change the color. Okay, and later create. For example, here is my website. Click new post. Click new post. New post. New post, and my notes for statistics. And sure, here you can just copy and paste. Let me tell you how to do this. Oh, for example, you have the first data. Copy, paste, and go back here. Control copy. Control C to copy. Control V to paste. Oh, it's too large. Okay. Let me try to downsize it. Copy. And Control V to paste. Okay. The size is smaller. Okay. Versus elevation. I didn't show it. Oh, elevation. Okay, it's coming here. And the second question, second homework. Control C to copy. The size is too big. Font size 14. Okay, 14 is better. and click on the graph. Control C to copy, move here, Control V to paste. Is it okay for you? And there is one thing very important here. My office file, my Google Office file not open to the public. Then you can move here and click, copy the link, and paste the hyperlink here. Hyperlink. Again, who can tell me why I tell you this step? I'm live streaming now. You can watch my video. Save your memory on your cell phone. Why? The hyperlink. Insert a hyperlink.
So that if you open your blog.
My blog. Yeah. I don't need to move to my Google Drive. I just click here and automatically it connects to our file. It saves your time. Okay. Okay, let me finish this step and I will explain again. Paste and apply. Again. Here is, welcome. Okay. Here is the original, it's not, can I say original, the calculation we are doing on this Google Office, and the website is for your own unless you change the privilege. For example, my file, I want everyone can use it. Thus, I said this, anyone with the link as a viewer, but you can set it as a commenter or an editor, but very careful. Maybe some bad guys will do something bad. So if you want to release it, you need to know different viewer, commenter, and editor. They are different people. They can edit or just view your file. And now you don't want to make the file open to the public. You don't need to set it. Just copy that, then paste on this hyperlink. In the future, let me show you here. Publish. Okay. Oh, sorry. And now I have my notes here. I want to edit the original data or increase more content. I just click here. You don't need to waste your time to move to the Google Scholar, Google Office, Google Drive to edit it, because you spend 5 seconds to create a hyperlink here. In the future, if you heavily use the hyperlink and Google Office, you will see, wow, OneNote is so smart. He told us this way, then it saves us tons of time. Is it okay? Okay, have a 10-minute break. See you later.